Okay. Ndewo. So, tata. Anyị nwere ihe omume nyere unu, and agwara m onye ọbụla. So I told everybody that you're going to record yourself and send to me. Was only Chiamaka. Chiamaka did her homework and sent to me. I just saw Ralos this morning. I gave you guys a deadline to do your homework. And I want you to know that, yeah, I understand you go to school, you're busy. Myself, I'm busy too. So if I give you homework and you don't do it, I can't help it. I cannot help you because the homework is helping you, just like you go to school. So it's not different from that. So today, get ready to present your homework. Okay, so I'm going to share a page. If you don't have your homework there, grab it because you're going to do your homework. This is the homework I gave to you. And it was due February 29. Make 5 sentences. Nyoku ise, oku ise. Each sentence must have 3 or 4 parts, A, B, C, and D. So meaning in present, future, and past tense. Okay, so this was what I told you, and I said, see above examples, which is what we did in class. So we put it in the future tense, present tense, and past tense. And that past tense, we're supposed to have like came and went. These are the 2 key words there. Because it's not the same way you say it that somebody came in the past, that you will say it somebody went, which is also past tense. So Chiamaka, iji ihe omume gị ebe ahụ. Iji ihe omume your homework. Do you have your homework? So I want you to go over your homework. I have it with me too. And don't forget, everybody, it's not just doing your homework. Ị ga-eme ihe omume gị, which is your homework. Ihe omume maọbụ ihe ọmụmụ. It means homework or assignment. You finish it and you should be able to learn to say it correctly, those Igbo words. It's not just doing the homework and sending it, but you don't even know how to say it. No, you have to know how to say them. So Chiamaka, I want you to go like Kembo, meaning number 1. But you have to be saying those numbers in Igbo because we did numbers already. We have to learn to carry forward what we did. So you have to learn to say them. So Chiamaka, I want you to start your homework. Tell us what you did based on the homework I gave to you here.
Number 2.
Nkembo means number 1, okay? So you have to say Nkembo, which is number 1. Then Nkabwo, okay? And don't forget Nkembo, which is number 1, should have the future tense. It doesn't matter the order. Just make sure you listed all 3 of them or 4. So it could be, you can start with the past tense or present tense, the way you put it. Okay, it doesn't matter whether you say future or this, okay? So go ahead, Chiamaka.
They won't buy food. And then ha anagi azuta mmiri.
Ha anagi azuta mmiri. Okay, how do you say it in English?
They won't buy food.
They won't, right? That, which is future tense, right? Now I'm gonna write Chiamaka's homework. I'm going to write it down. Chiamaka said one second. So this is Chiamaka. So Chiamaka said 1. Nkembo, they won't buy food. Okay. Now Chiamaka, kwuo ya n'Igbo etu ishiri ede ya.
Ha anaghị azụta mmiri.
Okay, it's supposed to be future, right? De hagage. Okay. You see, that's why it's very important to do the homework. And then we work on that. You see your mistake. So, Chiamaka, you see your mistake there. The future tense is supposed to be ha aga re, which is the remember the negation, the haga re. Okay. Azota, azota, nri.
Niri.
You say food, right?
Niri.
But you put miri there.
Oh.
Okay, if it's supposed to be instead of food, it's supposed to be water. If you say, you know, miri is water, right?
Miri.
Okay, so if what you said is hagaga azota miri, then it's supposed to be
Mba, niri. Niri.
miri.
No, niri.
No. Do
N-R-I.
you mean water or do you mean food?
I mean food. I
Or it's
said niri.
supposed to be nri, not
Oh,
miri. Yeah, it's supposed to hagaga azota nri. Can you say that?
Hagagi azuta niri.
No, 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 no. Nri.
Nri.
Yes, don't say miri. When you say miri, it means water. Now, let me put it here. So, nri means food. Can you say nri?
Nri.
Yes, that's how you say it. Now, miri means water. You see that? So that's the difference. I want you to know what they are. Nri, food. Miri, that's how you pronounce it. But the other one, now Chiamaka pronounce food.
Niri.
No. Nri.
Nri.
Yes. You close your mouth to sound it. Nri. Can you sound it?
Nri.
That's
Nri.
good. Okay. Nri. Kwuo ya ọzọ.
Nri.
Kwuo ya ọzọ.
Ha agaghị azụta nri.
There you go. Okay, so good. So it's supposed to be aga, not ha anage, because na is continuous tense, it's present, okay? So that's why it's good to do this exercise to help you. They won't buy food. Ha agage azota nri. Okay, Chiamaka, looking at ha agage azota, that azota, tell me, itinyere kpọm n'okpuru u ka ọ na itinyeghị kpọm?
Pom. Etinye.
Kedu ihe iji si na akpọm ga-anọ ya?
Under the U.
Kedu ihe ijiri si na akpọm ga-anọ ya? Meaning, why did you say we should put a period under you?
Maka A.
Makana.
Makana A. The vowel A.
Makana. Okay. The sound, the vowel sound, where it's O, right? Not U.
O.
It's all right. Now, what is the other clue that will let you know you're supposed to punctuate you?
A.
No, what is the other clue on that azota? By. By means azota. What is the other clue on this azota that will alerted you to know that you should punctuate you? What is the other clue here? You see, I'm moving my mouse there. Kedu ihe ọzọ mere iji wee mata na ị ga-etinye ntụpọ n'okpuru o?
Because there's an A in the word.
There you go. That's what I'm looking for, darling. Okay, so now what is the other one? We did number one. So what is this is the A. This is A. Now, what am I doing? Supposed to be A. Number one should have three parts. A, B, and C. Okay, so Chiamaka, where is the other one? This is A.
Did you mean in the same sentence or like number
No,
two?
you finished the
Okay.
Future tense. This is your future tense here. So
A.
everybody, I'm using FT to represent future tense, okay? So you know what it is. Now, we need B.
Nke abụọ bụ
Mhm.
they will not clean today.
They what?
Will not clean today.
They will not clean today.
Today.
Okay. Now, kwuo etu isi dee ya n'Igbo.
Ha agaghị adị ọcha tata.
Ha agaghị adị
Ha agaghị adị ọcha tata.
ha agaghị adị ọcha tata.
Tata.
Okay, now, this is a problem here. Ha agaghị adị ọcha. You said they will not be clean. Listen, they will not be clean. It is different from they will not clean. Okay. Ha agaghị adị ọcha tata means they will not be clean. When you say auntie will not be clean today, it means auntie agaghị adị ọcha. It means I'm not going to be clean. That I didn't take my bath. I look dirty. You see that? So if you do not take your, so it's different from, it is different from they will not be clean. So they will not be clean, okay? You say, "Hagaga adi ochata." But I think what you're trying to say was they were not clean, right? Okay. So how will you say it? I want you to correct yourself now. They were not clean today is different from, so this one is not what you said. So let me put this one down here. What this one means is that there will not be clean today. Hagagi adi ọcha tata. It's different from they were not clean. Did you get what I said? Chiamaka, ịghọtara ihe m kwuru? Ngwa. How will you do? They will not clean today. Now, when you said the hagage hicha tata, hagage chicha tata, but to make it to be specific, they will not clean what today. You see what I'm saying? So you can add here to help you because they will not clean today means hagage chicha tata, mob hagage hicha tata. So to be specific to help you narrow it, exactly what you said they will not clean. You can say they will not clean table today. They will not clean house today. They will not clean or maybe outside today. They will not clean their boo bag today. You see what I said? So let's just say they will not clean house or floor. Let's say floor. They will not clean floor. If sometimes you can just say house, it means the sentence because when I say Chiamaka ga hicha ụlọ, Ogechi ga chicha ụlọ, maọbụ Ogechi ga chicha ala. So if I say ga chicha ụlọ, probably I need to, maybe your child, like my twins. One of them will clean the living room, one of them will clean the dining area, or clean the step and corridor, or the kitchen area or sitting area. So I can say Chiamaka ga hicha ime ụlọ gị, which is your room. Chiamaka ga-ahicha ala kitchen, ala usekwu, which is the kitchen floor. Chiamaka ga-ahicha ala ebe ị na-agụ akwụkwọ, where you study. So things like that. But today, let's just say they will not clean ụlọ usekwu, or they will not clean floor today. Let's just say, make it simple. Okay, Chiamaka, ka ị ga-esi ekwu ya na Igbo?
Ha agaghị echicha ala tata.
Okay, there you go. Ha aga. Re. Ehicha. Some people say ehicha. Some people will say echicha. Take this one up to take it out of here.
Ehicha.
1 second, I'm trying to take this thing up because it's blocking us. Okay. Come on. I didn't mean to do this. Oh boy. 1 second, everybody. I need to change something here. Okay. Okay. Hagage ehicha mobu echicha. Echicha is the central. Echicha. But some people say ehicha. It's okay. Olo. Ala olo. Tata. Mobu ta. Okay, is the same. All right. Aluchi amaka. Kedokwa nke atọ.
Nka atọ bụ she is not here.
Okay. Now you said no. Remember, you did two future tense already. I guess I need to understand why you guys don't understand, where you are confused when it comes to knowing the future tense, the present tense, and the past tense. So I want to know what is confusing you there. Because you keep giving me present, future tense. We haven't even done continuous tense or present tense or past tense. You have not given me any of them. So I need you to give me one of the past tense you have there.
Nke anọ bụ he did not come here yesterday.
Okay. He did not come here yesterday. Okay. Gịnị ka ị kwuru?
Ọ bịaghị n'ụtụtụ ụnyaahụ.
Okay. I didn't see Ototo what you say. He did not come in the morning because you said Ototo now. Okay.
Oh, sorry. Ụnyaahụ.
Okay. You say Ototo, but you said he did not come here. Do you mean yesterday morning, right?
I forgot to write it.
Okay, yesterday morning. Ngwa. How did you say it in Igbo?
Ọ bịaghị n'ụtụtụ ụnyaahụ.
Ọ bịaghị.
Ọ bịaghị
Na
n'ụtụtụ.
ụtụtụ. There you go. Ụtụtụ ụnyaahụ. There you go. Uh-huh. Now, how about it? He went yesterday. How will you say that? That's supposed to make it the fourth one. Let's just say, I went. I want you to say, I went yesterday. I'm looking for that went. I went yesterday. How will you say that?
Agara m ụnyaahụ.
Agara m ụnyaahụ. Okay. Ga. Oh, no. Yes, agaram. Agaram ụnyaahụ. There you go. Okay, so Chiamaka, now, this is what we did. You did two future tense. You didn't do present tense. You did the past tense, okay? Two past tense I'm looking for. Now, I want you to give me one of the continuous tense. Do you have any of the continuous tense there?
Mba. I think I have present, future, and past.
Okay. No, you don't have present, Chiamaka. Where is the future you have? You are mistaking the future. Yeah, you have two future tense. You don't have present. Give me the present you have. Nyemo for present in where?
Okay.
Okay, the example of the present tense is There, okay, you can say, unu niile na-abịa. Or you can say, unu niile anaghị abịa. You see that? So let's do that one. Unu niile anaghị abịa. So that should be unu. You all are not coming. It means it did not follow my example, because my example there, I did it present, future, past tense, 2 past tense. So 4 of them. You have to give me future. Look at the examples that I gave to you. And every one of you will go back and do it again. But let me see. You all are not coming. This is the continuous tense here, which is present, Chiamaka. Continuous present tense. So it means you all, unu niile anaghị. Oh, come on. Unu niile anaghị abịa. You see that? It's happening. You're just saying, oh, unu niile anaghị abịa. This is continuous, okay? Present tense. I want you to know what is CPT. Continuous present tense or present tense. That's what it is. You all are not coming. You all are not coming. You all will come. You all will not come. That's future. Past tense. You all came. You all did not come. You all went. These are what it is. So you need to really pay attention to that. You all need to pay attention to that. Know which one is the future, which one is the present, which one is the past tense. Okay, so this is also future tense. This one is future tense. And hagage ade ochata. There is also future. This is also future. I don't want all of them to be, you have to give me at least one category has to. I want to see it in each of them. Okay, this is the, he did not come here. He did not, this is past tense. Okay, and this is also a past tense. So, Chiamaka, I want you to redo your own. But I applaud you. Dalo, Chiamaka. So, Sisia will phone ziterem in Homumeya. Chiamaka was the only one that sent her homework. She did not pass the due date. You're sending me your homework past the due date. I'm not gonna look at it. I gave you guys enough time to do your homework. Okay, so Chiamaka Dalu, but I need you to go back, practice again. Look at the examples, okay? And what your examples that we just reviewed today, okay? We don't have time for you to do all of them here because I need to move to another person. Ogechi, in ebe ahụ. Ogechi, ọ n'ebe a?
Ana m ya.
Ndewo, kedu ka ị melụ tata?
Adị m mma, ndị nwakwana.
Okay, adị m mma. Ị ga-akpọ m ma anyị mesịa klaasị, bata enwere m klaasị ọzọ. Kedu oge ị ga-enwe ohere tata?
Kwa ya ọzọ biko.
Kedu oge ị ga-enwe ohere? Oge means time. Kedu means what time? When will you be available today?
When will I be available today? In the evening.
Okay, Chukwu, aga m akpọ gị ma ọkụ elekere abụọ nke ehihie tata. Elekere abụọ means 2 p.m.
2 p.m.
Will you be available?
Mba.
Ogechi, ngwa, Ogechi kpọọ m oge ọbụla ị nwere ohere. Gịnị ka m kwuru?
What time?
No, Ogechi, kpọọ m. Call
Tell
me.
you.
No, kpọọ means to call me.
Okay.
Mgbe ọwụla ị nwere ohere. Ohere means time. Okay? So call me when you have time, okay? Or text me, Auntie, are you available? Then if I'm available, I say yes. Okay? I want us to talk for the event.
Yes,
Okay, okay, Chingwa. Kedu ihe omume gị nyere gị? Where is your homework? Give me one of your future tense.
okay. One of my future plans.
Mhm.
They won't buy food.
Mana izitere gị m ihe omume gị, gịnị mere? You didn't send me your homework. What happened?
Yeah, that I don't know. I'm out.
Hey!
I was too busy with work.
No, don't even say that, Ogechi. Trust me, if I tell you how busy I am, some of the homework I was marking last night, I went to bed at 3 a.m. to tell you how busy I am. So I went to bed at 3 a.m. I sent some messages out 3 a.m. The beginner class will not be happy with me because I didn't finish marking their homework, but I will explain to them, the class to them. So I know you all are busy, but hey, we need to find a way. We need to find time to do it. You guys are still young. Hi, come on, Ogechi. You're a young lady. Okay. All right, Ogechi. Ngwa. Let's go on now. This is Ogechi. Your homework. Ngwa. Number one.
Future tense.
Okay.
We will not eat this morning.
Okay. Where we will not eat this morning. Okay. Ngwa. Ele ihe kwuru ebe ahụ. Gini, what did you say? When I say ole, maọbụ gịnị ka i kwuru ebe ahụ? What did you say there?
Okay. Anyị.
Hmm?
Okay. Anyị. Nagagi.
Hey, yeah. No, think. We
Yes.
will not. Now, let me go down here. Did you everybody pay attention to this? There is something I did to let you know when to use. Did you all look at these examples? Everybody look on the screen here. Did everybody go over these examples here? The past tense, how to say it. Biara, ogara. And then when you're using continuous tense, na. When you're using future, ga. If you, I don't know if you, did you review this area? Because it's very important to let you know when to apply all this na, ga, biara, or jere. Okay, did you go over it?
Yes, ma'am.
No, yes. Please go over again. And I always say, please, if you do not understand it, feel free to call me. Are you guys afraid of me? Okay, when I say, let me say this. Are you afraid of me? It means na ato mo. See how I apply the pronoun? Me means mo. Are you afraid of me? Ena ato mo. Ojo. Ojo means afraid. See that? Are you afraid of me? Are you all? Okay. When I say are you, it's different now. I want you to see this. It's not the same when you say, are you all afraid of them? At least I did one up there. Are you afraid of me? In a tumojo, Van them versus, are you all afraid of them? Man. Okay, Chuku.
Yeah. Hanile.
Are you all afraid of them? Ngwa, achọrọ m ka ime nke ahụ Ogechi.
Hanile.
Ogechi, thanks. Ogechi, che.
Yes.
Che means think.
Okay.
Che, yeah, a chair. You guys should be picking all this. When I type them, I'm not just, you need to pick all this because I will ask questions regarding all these vocabularies. Ogechi, chair, ya, a chair means ogechi. Think about it.
Mm-hmm.
Here you go. Tomorrow I'll ask you, how do you say think about it? Think about it. That's how you pick your phrases. Okay. All right. Ogechi, think about it. Ogechi, chair, ya, a chair. So think about it before you answer.
Yes.
All right. Okay. Go ahead.
Okay. Unu niile.
There you go. Because you started it in an awkward
there.
way. Okay. Uh-huh. Are you all afraid of them?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Unu niile atụ
Ono niile. Uh-huh.
atụ ha ụjọ.
Unu niile ọ na-atụ ha ụjọ?
Atụ ha
Because
ụjọ. Okay.
unu niile ọ na. I know this is tricky. Okay. Because you have to add more pronouns there. Unu niile, are you all? Okay. Unu niile. Some people say unu ọ na-atụ ha ụjọ. Unu niile ọ na-atụ ha ụjọ. Unu niile now. So now, I thought somebody would tell me where is honor. Unu niile a na-atụ ha ụjọ. You can say unu a na-atụ ha ụjọ. Anyị anaghị. See that? Ọ na-atụ ha ụjọ. Now, Ogechi, how will you say? Ogechi will say, am I the only one here? It's because I'm talking to you now. Unu niile ọ na-atụ ha ụjọ. Anyị anaghị, okay, we are not afraid of them. Let me get to another person and give Ogechi a break. We are not afraid of them. We are not afraid of them. Who will do this? We are not afraid of them. Ikenna. Ikenna never. How do we say we are not afraid of them? See how we did the first, the other ones up there. Okay.
I
We are not afraid of them. Kedonya Gaza, I need a volunteer. Kedonya get Wapatonwaya. Kedonya get Wapatonwaya Zaya. Because I want to hear Ogechi's sentences. Chinenya. 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 Go ahead.
Anyị na-atụ ha.
Okay. Remember, this is in negative now. When you say anyị na-atụ ha ụjọ, it means we are afraid of them. What you're trying to say is that we are afraid of them. You said we are afraid of them. That's me. So you're telling me anyị na-atụ ha ụjọ. Say that. But what I said, we are not afraid of them.
Anyị na-agaghị atụ ha ụjọ.
No, you're missing something there. Kedu onye ga-ekwu ya ofuma? Kedu onye ga-enyere Chinenye aka? Ikenna.
anyị anaghị atụ
There you go. There you go. Anyị anaghị atụ ha ụjọ. There you go. That's how you say it. Okay, back to Ogechi. We will not eat this morning, Ogechi ngwa. Ogechukwu.
Yes, ma'am.
Ngwa.
Yes. Okay.
Aha. All right. So how do we say it?
Okay.
You made a sentence. Can you complete it?
Yes.
All right.
Anyị Agagi.
There you go.
Re.
No. Remember the verb. Anye is iri means to eat. Now, when you are conjugating it, what will you put there? You remember you're going to remove that a.
Re.
Anye agagi again.
Re.
No, you can't say
Then.
nri. You're
Okay.
missing something.
Agagi.
Eri.
Eri.
Remember, to eat is iri, right?
Mm-hmm.
And when you're conjugating, when you're that verb, you need to put e. Anyagagi eri, because you're getting rid of a.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So pay attention to that. Anyagagi eri nri.
N'ụtụtụ.
Na ụtụtụ daalụ. Ụtụtụ taa. Maọbụ tata. Okay? Give me, you gave me future, right? This is future tense. Now give me present tense. Onye ọbụla na-ege ntị. Na, anyị agaghị eri nri n'ụtụtụ tata. This is future tense. Okay, give me present tense or present continuous tense.
Present.
Something happening now.
Okay. I didn't write, but I can do I am going to school.
I am going to school. Yeah, that's present. I am going. It's happening now. To school. All right. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. All right. I am going to school. Get it with school, Ogechi.
Akwụkwọ.
Akwụkwọ. So you know what to do. It's simple.
Okay, I am going to school. Anam.
Anam, I love that. That's once you don't miss this one. Good. Anam.
Aga.
Aga.
Akwụkwọ.
Akwụkwọ. There you go. Now, I need your past tense.
Okay. That wedding did not go well.
Okay. That wedding. Oh boy. Did not go well. That. No, I think I said that. I don't want you to use that one. I don't want you to use any of the ones that I've used.
Okay. Past tense. I didn't. Oh, but I don't know this verb, but I didn't see him. But I don't know the verb.
It's good that you use it. You learn how to say it, no? I didn't. Okay. Don't let it scare you, okay? Okay. I didn't see him. Okay. Just balia. Get no balia.
Try.
There you go. See, you're picking.
Okay. I did.
Okay, let me help you there. Ahogem. Ah is referring to you. Don't forget. Ahogem. You see that? Eho is to see, right?
Okay. Yes.
Eho to see. Okay. Now that eho, you remove the a and put a because you are the one saying, I didn't see him. So you say ahogem. Ahogem. Okay, complete it now.
Ahogem, yeah.
Ahogem, yeah. If you are trying to say, we didn't see them, what will you say?
Anyị ehụghị m. Anyị
ahụghị ha.
Anyị ehụghị ya.
Anyị ahụghị ha, yeah, because you say, I didn't see him. We didn't see them. Anyị ahụghị ha. You see that? We didn't see them. We didn't. So don't let it throw you off. We didn't see them. It means anyị ahụghị ha. That's it, simple. So it's a past tense. Now give me one more past tense. With went.
With went.
You're supposed to have 4. A, B, C, D. And then all this. When you make a sentence, so now Nkempo, which is number 1, should have 4. Nka, number 2, until you do 5 of them.
Okay. We went home.
Okay, good. I like that. We went home. We went home. Okay. Ngwan. Gwa anyị etu esi ga-ekwu ya.
Anyị aga ụlọ.
Anyị mere gịnị?
Anyị ga ụlọ.
Anyị
No, I'm sorry. Anyị gara
there you
ụlọ.
go. You are not mụ na gị kara isi okwu kịta because I know you can put it together. Anyị gara ma ọ bụ gịnị? What is the other way of saying it?
Jere.
And there you go. Yeah. It made me happy now. Anyị jere. We went to anyị gara ụlọ. Okay? Ụlọ. Ma ọ bụ anyị jere ụlọ. There you go. You know, anyị gara ụlọ can be like you traveled home. Like some of us here, Nigerians or Igbos or anybody going to another home, if your home is Germany. So you say, hey, okay, so I went home. Or I got a And also, when I say, oh, okay, I didn't see you at school today. They didn't come to school. Say, oh, I came, but I went home. I just left. See that? So it can mean that. It could be like when I say I went home in Christmas, okay? I went to Germany, I went to Italy, I went to Nigeria. So it could be that you traveled home. You cannot say, oh, I thought I saw you at that wedding last night. I say, yeah, I came, but at some point I went home. You see that? So when you are, don't just carry it like it's only when somebody said, I traveled home. Or, so just know that when you ask somebody a question, you say, yeah, I was there, but I went home around 10. So it's also, I just left and go home. Okay. We're gonna stop here. Now let me ask, Madole Meriho Mumeha. Kedonye, so Ogechi, you need to go back and do your homework, right? But at least you know your future, present, and past tense. We need to have it for future tense, present tense. I think the beginner classes are coming in. Not yet. So then do your past tense. We have 2 past tense, came and went. You need to add them there. But make sure you have them in a negative form. We're doing negation here. You can also throw in some, positive. It doesn't matter. I just want to make sure you know your present, future, past tense. So, kedonye ọzọ mere ihe omume ya, who else did his or her homework? Kedonye ọzọ mere homework ya, Emeka? Emeka, I mere ha niile? Did you do all of them? Emeka, is it a homework? You didn't send your homework.
But I did.
When did you send your homework?
On the 29th.
Did you send it to the forum? I told everybody, don't send it to me, send it to the forum. Nobody should do exact. If another person put a sentence, you're not supposed to do that person's sentence. You have to do your own. So please do your homework, send it to the forum by Wednesday. By Wednesday, everybody should send their homework on Wednesday. If you send it late, I won't have enough time to do it. And I may be traveling because I may be traveling to Kansas City. Let me stop recording and then, but I booked my flight, but I need to, wait 1 second.